Hi, welcome everyone back to my YouTube channel. Nelly Hernandez here, and today we're gonna make a cake. No. Today we're gonna do like a simple look. I promise it's gonna be a simple look. I'm on a time limit right now. A very limited time to do this, so I'm not gonna get too crazy. I gotta go pick up my son soon from school. So it is pretty warm today. It's hot, so I normally don't like to put any makeup when it's hot outside, but I'm just feeling inspired to do my makeup today. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Where is my foundation? What foundation am I using? So I'm gonna cut this part out and then I'll be right back. So next, I'm going to use the Kokie Cosmetics Skin Perfect HD Foundation. 3 pumps should do fine. Get that double chin. I go like this. These are 2 different colors. The Be Bright is lighter. The Photo Focus one is a darker one. So when I mix them together, they're a good mix for my skin. I really am super happy I ran into this. I got introduced to this cosmetic company, Kokie Cosmetics. I first heard of them because of my Ipsy, but I like their products. Our products are very decent products. I mean, this is just me talking about how I like this company. That's it. All right, so quickly gonna go ahead and contour my face. I like to let it dry a bit before I get started to like blend it out, just so I know the product actually stays there. So we're gonna go and do our eyebrows, and then I'll be back to blend out this stuff here. Okay, so I'm back. I outlined my eyebrows. I look crazy, but I know it's all gonna come together. I promise. So I wet my sponge. So next I'm gonna just set my eyes. When I'm gonna set my eyes, I'm actually gonna just use the SL Miss Glam SS57 brush. I'm gonna use Pregame. Then I'm gonna go ahead and just dip my sponge in some Lock-It translucent powder by Kat Von D Beauty. Can't forget. Then I'm using the Farrah 50F brush. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some blush. So I think this is a perfect moment to use the Naked Cosmetics Loose Shadow in Naturally Nude. Again, I think it's number 2. Naturally Nude number 2. Just gonna blend out some brown at the top. Just a little bit. So I'm gonna grab my packing brush. I'm gonna wet it. Glittery, as you can see, it's beautiful, beautiful. Shake off the excess so it don't come down, raining down on us. So I'm using right now, I'm using the Vasanti Contour Eyeshadow Brush. Just softening it out. So then we're gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. So I applied that all over my lid, just like 2 colors, literally just 2 colors. I like my eyelashes thick. Can apply a little bit of lip liner and then the Sugar Cookie Melted Matte by Too Faced. I'm gonna apply hot buttered rum on the outer corners. Who knew hummingbirds sound like flies? Like really big flies. They like bzz, they have a very loud buzz to them. And then when it dries, it just looks magical. Pretty much we're all done. All that's left is the setting spray and I'm all done, okay? No, I'm not done. I need the inner corner highlight. How could I forget about my inner corner highlights? The Nomad highlight. And just the cheap little applicator that comes with the eyeshadow palettes. Okay, and that's it, you guys. So I am thrilled I got to do this super fast, sort of, kind of fast. But yeah, so that's the end of the tutorial. Hope you guys like this look. It's pretty easy to create and fast enough if you go fast enough. So have a good one, everybody. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it. Show my video some love, and share if you liked it and if you think others can benefit from my video. Okay, bye everybody.